welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jay, and today I have for you a twist out video showing you how I achieve this twist out right here. So if it's something that you want to see, keep watching. So the first thing I do is I spray each section with water, working it into my hair, making sure all my strands are saturated. Next, I am going to detangle my hair with my wide tooth comb, making sure to get all the tangles out. The conditioner that I used was the Shea Moisture African Black Soap Bamboo Charcoal Balancing Conditioner. This is a pretty good conditioner. It kind of smells like Play-Doh, but it gives my hair some slip, which is good. And after I work that product in, I'm going to detangle with my brush. I thought this was a tangle teaser when I thought this was an easy brush when I purchased it, but I'm pretty sure it's a dupe. My next product is the Melanin Twist Elongating Style Cream. Next, I have my Wetline Extreme Gel, and for my oil, I'm using the Melanin Multi-Use Pure Blend Oil. I love this oil. It's my second bottle of it, and I'll never stop buying it. That's how much of the cream I use, and I just work it into my section, starting from my ends and going up to my roots. Now I'm just going back through my hair with my brush. I just want to make sure all of my tangles are out, and there I'm just showing y'all what the curls looking like. They're looking good. So I'm spraying my hair again with water before I apply the gel. I don't usually spray my hair before each product I apply, but I just wanted my hair to be really tangle free and defined, and I just wanted to have a really good twist out. So that's how much gel I used, and I worked that in, starting on my roots, working down to my ends. So going from roots to ends, and I apply more gel as needed. Now I'm going to put the oil in my hair, and I don't squeeze the bottle, I just let the drops come out. And now I'm just splitting my hair in half, trying to get the two halves of the twist as even as possible, and I'm just going to twist my hair. So I redid it here because it didn't feel smooth, so I'm just detangling it again, and I just want to make sure both halves of my hair have about the same amount of strands so I can get an even twist out. So I'm just going to finish up this first twist, and I'll come back and I'll show you guys the same steps on the last twist. So we're on the last twist, and I'm just going to repeat all the steps I've been doing on this last section. First, I'll go ahead and spray this section with water. And now I am working the conditioner into the section. I had to redo this twist because after I finished it the first time, it was a bit puffy at the top, so I untwisted it and I sprayed it with water again, detangled it, added a bit more conditioner, did some more detangling, which you're seeing here, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and put the gel on. So I didn't put on any more cream or any more oil. So because I had to do this one again, I'm doing a lot of brushing and combing just to make sure it doesn't come out puffy this time. Here I am reapplying the gel to the section.
Ryan Little.
One final brush and I am gonna go ahead and twist up my last twist. So I'm finally finished all of my twists and I'm going to go in with this dry hair and scalp relief spray by Texture ID. It's a soothing scalp mist and I really like this. It makes my scalp feel cool after I spray it on there. And we're done. So here's the front of my twist and I'm going to show you guys the back as well. I have about 9 twists in my hair, maybe 10. So this is about 2 days later and I'm about to take the twist out. First I'm going to use the growth oil and I'm going to apply that to my scalp. And I'm going to put the Melanin Pure oil blend on my hands before I take down any of my twists to try to prevent frizz.
Ryan Little. little.